What is the best asset class year to date? Gold, up 32%. What happened to McDonald shares, which were down by over 5%? They were linked to Escherichia coli outbreak in the quarter pounder. Welcome to Spot the Markets, our weekly analysis of financial markets up to the 25th of October. So, interesting week. We saw China that unveiled cuts in benchmark lending rates. Gold set new highs. Tesla beat on earnings, and the Dow fell by as much as 2.7%. The S&P as well by 1%, and the NASDAQ composite was slightly up. If we look at the winners and losers for the week, mainly commodities rose significantly, with natural gas being up 13% for the week, crude and gasoline all up by a few percentage points. We saw materials and the small caps taking a beating on the week, and also healthcare sector and industrial fell. So if we look at beyond gold, which is one of the winner year to date, we see the NASDAQ keep going up of 24% year to date, the S&P at 22%, and in negative territory, emerging market bonds are down by 4.5%. If we look at the equity sectors, we see that commercial services, communication services is the best performing sector. Global financial are now in third position, up 21%. And global tech is the second best performing sector. Last is materials, which is in negative, slightly positive territory, but barely. And we see also real estate as the second worst performing sector. If we look at the stock, Tesla was up by 22% as they posted better than expected earnings. They also said that they could see 20 to 30% vehicle growth in 2025. Capri, a federal judge in New York, prevented Tapestry from a takeover, so the shares fell by 49%. McDonald was hit by a deadly E. coli outbreak linked to onions. If we move to the airline sector, Spirit Airlines was up by over 15% as they receive a debt refinancing extension, and Frontier Line is exploring a renewed bid for Spirit. Boeing continues to have problems with the unions, and the share keeps suffering. Interesting also this week, well, we have most of the Magnificent Seven will report this week, actually pretty much all of them. We have Alphabet by the close today, Meta, Platform, and Microsoft on Wednesday, and Amazon and Apple on Thursday. Outside the tech sector, we have Visa, Avie, Eli Lilly on Wednesday, and MasterCard on Thursday. Keep following Mercury Partners Academy. I'm the CEO, Marcello Zanardo. We have a product for you every day, Spot the Markets, which is this, Spot the Sector, Spot the Stock. You can follow on our social and join our internship products. All the best, and see you soon.